औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज का जो टॉपिक है दैट इज़ थिगमोट्रॉपिज्म। हम प्लांट मोमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं या प्लांट रेस्पॉन्सेस पढ़ते हैं तो डिफरेंट इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स। हमने हाइड्रोट्रॉपिज्म पढ़ा, कीमोट्रॉपिज्म पढ़ा एंड वी हैव गॉन थ्रू जियोट्रॉपिज्म। आज जो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं दैट इज थिगमोट्रॉपिज्म। द व्हाट इज थिगमोट्रॉपिज्म? It is response, another type of response of plants का जो response है towards touch of an object. To the touch of an object. टच को कहते हैं बायोलॉजी में हम थिगमो को। युस ये स्टिमुलस दैट इज टच ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट। फिर प्लांट्स करो टच, पत क्या प्लांट कर तो रेस्पॉन्स, द होल प्रोसेस नोन एज थिगमोट्रॉपिज्म. There are some plants called climbing plants. अस निश वारिया डिफरेंट किस्मिक प्लांट कह प्लांट्स छ अस निश some plants यमन वनान छ climbing plants. climbing plants यम climbing plants क्या छ आसान, यम छ climb करा, यमन छ आसान stems आसान weak stems. यम छ हेकान withstand रोजित on its own के. यम plants क्या छ करन, यम plants निवान सहार, यम छ climb करा या करन big plants पर climb, नत छ support दिवान यमन to get stand on its own. Hence cannot stand upright. यम छ हेकान upright करित, upright रोजित या erect रोजित, पाने रोजित के. climbing plants यम छ यमन छ आसान special organs for climbing. तमन छ वनान climbing organs. climbing organs छ हटमट रोजान climb एक जाय support के. तमन climbing organ छ वनान they are known as tendrils. क्या छ वनान तमन? tendrils. tendrils क्या छ आसान, यम छ आसान thin thread like growths on the stem. Stems पे छ यम thin thread like structures नेरा. या छ आसान stems पे, ना छ आसान leaves पे. leaves common leaves पे of climbing plants. यम tendrils छ यम छ दोय तरीक. tendrils यम छ दोय तरीक. अख किस्म छ stem tendrils यम stem पे करन grow, यम stem पे नेरन. बेया क्या छ leaf tendrils. यम tendrils छ आसान sensitive to touch. tendrils are sensitive to touch. touch अगर हम करो वारिया sensitive आसान, हम करा react. या अगर contact करो हम सतन कुन object सतन वारिया sensitive आसान. That is, tendrils have cells which can sense their contact with the nearby solid like bamboo stick or the stem of other plant. यमन छ आसान special cells यम छ आसान, यमन छ sense cells. यम sense cells छ करन work यमन tendril मज कि अगर यमन कह solid object touch कर like bamboo stick agar nimo or the stem of another plant karaman touch, tendrils should react quick response. So when a tendril touch an object, then the side of tendril on contact with the object grows slowly on its other side. Yuthui touch kara object, tendril kara start slowly grow at supports pet karo, at objects pet karo. This causes tendril to bend towards the object by growing towards it. Aim search is tendril bend towards the object. ठीक wind around the object पच गसान ये wind अत अहंदे देवा वल and cling to it which गस अत सदन चुपकित. The winding movement of tendril of climbing plant is example of thigmotropism. यह winding अगर solid object का tendrils touch tendril of an plant climbing plant, यह tendril करा कम इस करा grow okay towards the object योगने object आइस पच करा अत wind off यह वलना अत पच का साये wind off यह winding movement of climbing plant is example of winding movement वना इस thigmotropism. The stimulus in thigmotropism is touch. At cash for stimulus, that is touch or contact object. The winding movement of tendril of movement nearby object supports the plant having weak stem. This tendril but wind movement kara. You go response. Yes, response. This thigmotropism often seen in plants having tendrils. Tomne plant and madhyama labna iman kya tendrils. Go tendrils are positively thigmotropic. Positively thigmotropic, which means they grow towards the things they happen to touch. You must touch karan tapurishum grow kara. Yapura support male tapurishi tendril climbing plant tendril grow kara. अशा को ये वनित कि towards the touch अगर आए towards the stimulus आए तेल च वना ऐसे ऐसे शो thigmotropic moment यूज़ that is positively thigmotropism जो हमारा positive thigmotropism. The plants having stem tendrils, leaf tendrils which are positive thigmotropic climb up artificial support या अगर plant आए अगर artificial support जी देवा ठीक. Other plants are fenced very easily. The plants such as bitter gourd. अगर bitter gourd नमो इस तेमुक यूज़ tendril च यमन के support इस देवान यहाँ करा climb पत पिकिस plants पेट climb करा. But with the help of tendril. हम करा hold pan with the help of tendrils. So this is all about the topic that is thigmotropism. Thigmotropism में वुश कि plant को response towards the object कित का शुरू होता है. Object gets in the form of touch karun plants. Atmas tum plants yum thigmotropism show kara tum plants vanas we have got climbing plants. Climbing plants as a special organ them khator yum climb heka kare, that is the special organs tendrils. Tendrils as a tum much special type of cells. They are known as senescent cells. Tum shall via sensitive cells. Tendrils as a dietary stem tendrils and leaf tendrils. ठीक है तो यम tendrils गसा कौन अगर हम उनका plant का touch करा यह tendril grow towards that plant towards that touch though ये towards गस growth अब या ये response या ये plant को हम touch गोस thigmo को तत् चुना इस या सके positive thigmotropism. तो यह मज़ पूरा positive we have got different या plants such as bitter gourd या bamboo tree यहाँ से करा for example pumpkin chess या ये बाकी चीज़ यमन stomach आसान weak तुम चने का support कर on its own तुम चाहे withstand on its own कि so they have got supporting system. So supporting system in the form of thigmotropism इस वुशा बे plant एवं supports या अगर nearby plant तिल कर तो पाने इस तातिया अगर वो तुम support ही देवा तुम सुई support रोज़ना खासा ही So it's all about thigmotropism. Broken for is be gnostic momentous. Thank you.